Buddy boy, what is today? Wednesday.
Hey, buddy.
Wednesday, so Buddy is with us now for how many days? Buddy is with us. This is day 7, day 9, eh?
Yeah.
This is 9 days now. Push his toy. Yeah, he enjoys that toy, eh? Buddy likes squeaking his toy. He's a little music maker when it comes to that little toy. Ja. Vat hom, jong. Vat hom al, Buddy. Jy moet hom kou, jong. Byt hom. Byt hom. Vat hom huis toe. Vat hom huis toe, ja. Take it home. Take it to your house, Buddy. Yeah, you got it at home. Yes, like it, oh Buddy boy. Jy gaan hom byt, man.